Okay, so that means this is equal to minus k cap. So let's try to calculate the. Okay, I need this into del cross f dot ds, correct? So that is minus k cap dot dx dy minus k or plus k, just check, because I think answer is positive here, so that means k should be positive. Yeah, please check that. Plus k. Okay, yeah, I'll correct that. So this is hmm, hmm, hmm. So that is this just dx dy, correct? Dx dy. So double integral over any surface area dx dy is nothing but, in our case, this case, right? Anyway, let me write what you are supposed to solve. You will solve like r is equal to 0 to 1 and theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi r dr d theta, correct? This is what you are going to solve ultimately. But anyway, I know the answer now. So this is pi into r square. R is equal to 1. So pi. There was a minus dx dy. Minus dx dy. So there was a minus outside. Is it okay? Okay, next question. So this can be considered like, yeah, this is also verification, right? In this case, since the question is easier, all are verification only. Okay, so verify the Stokes theorem for this one. The vector f is equal to xy I cap plus xy square j cap, where c is a square with the vertices 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. So vector f dot dr should be equal to xy dx plus xy square into dy. Yeah, the complete coordinates are given. Will you try? Will you try later as a homework problem? No problem. It's a straightforward. Okay, directly you will get the answer. Yeah, yeah. So if it is just 2D, you know how easy it is. Sometimes when the surface is given with a 3 dimension or something, it may become slightly tricky. Okay, but still, that's not. Sorry. No, this problem cannot be converted into 3, right? Because yeah, not this. I told in general. Okay, any general problem like the previous one, right? They talked about a sphere, right? So then we need to convert. We need to look, right, how to solve that. Okay, that's all. It depends on what is given, right? So just check your old question paper. What has come over there. Right? Just concentrate more on that so that it becomes easy for you.